Thanks for watching the Council in Brief. I'm Susan Kennedy. We're here with all the news of the Montgomery County Council for this last week in February. And we begin this time with a report that takes a look at the county's economic development incentive programs. The targeted tax incentives and financing programs help businesses in order to stimulate growth and create new jobs.
Well, I think the good thing about the report is it tells us that Montgomery County's practices devoted to attracting and retaining businesses and jobs meets standard business practices throughout the country. We always wonder, are we doing it the right way? Does anybody have a better idea? How do we keep those jobs in the county? How do we attract new good jobs here? And that's what the report says. You know, we're in line pretty much with what other communities do, and these are tested approaches to addressing this issue.
For thousands of people who live in Montgomery County, the need or choice to rent their homes is an important part of their quality of life. In light of this, Montgomery County's Tenant Work Group was formed to look out for the best interests of renters throughout our region. Members of the Council's Planning, Housing, and Economic Development Committee met recently to discuss some of those recommendations the group is proposing.
I think there's an understanding that some of what's happening to the tenant community is not either not fair or not good. I think there's an increasing realization that tenants are like 1/3 of the people who live in the county. And I have to say, I mean, I own a home, but they're like really two different worlds. There are people who know where they're sleeping every night because you got a mortgage and this is your house and you're permanent, and there are people who have no security about where they're going to be. And, you know, we're dealing with issues where people are afraid to raise concerns about the quality of their housing because they're afraid if they raise a concern, they're going to lose their housing. And nobody should have to live like that.
I'm not sure everybody's happy at this stage of the game, but the information that we have to date reflects that rents are indeed increasing, but pretty much within the guidelines. There are situations that are not appropriate, and those are things that are being looked into.
In other news, discussion on a proposed bill that deals with the county's tree canopy. The measure calls for fee requirements when trees are disturbed due to development. Those fees would be used to plant trees in other areas of the county. Councilmember Roger Berliner explained the complexities of this legislation.
What we've seen, particularly in the Down County and the communities that I represent, is that when they do infill development on small lots, trees are often taken down. And so we're losing some of our canopy in our Down County. And the county executive's fundamental proposition is that if you're going to take down trees, then you ought to pay a fee into a fund that would allow us to mitigate partially, not fully, what you have taken down, and so that we can plant more trees, either on site or near the neighborhood or et cetera. We only received from the county executive yesterday the fee itself, the cost that would be assigned to it. And so we're making progress, but there are those in the environmental community that believe the fee is too low. We haven't heard from the building industry, which is affected by this, or the real estate community. So we have some work to do.
20 companies across the state of Maryland have made this year's Inc. 500 list of the fastest growing firms in the country, and 10 of those are headquartered right here in Montgomery County. Councilmember Nancy Florine took time to recognize these businesses for their exclusive ranking.
And whereas the businesses, which represent a wide variety of industries, including energy, marketing, technology, and health, earn their rankings based on 3-year revenue growth rates from 2008 to 2011, as you know, the tough times. And whereas 2 of the 10 companies are part of Montgomery County's Business Innovation Network, which helps growing companies realize their potential with the help of 5 business incubation centers that offer office and lab space, as well as business support services to emerging technology, life sciences, and professional services companies.
Well, that wraps up this edition of the Council in Brief. For County Cable Montgomery, I'm Susan Kennedy. Thanks for watching.